motorhome we are showing you today is a 2026 Bugatti motorhome. You guys have to tell us how it is in the comments. Welcome with the 2026 Bugatti motorhome. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the button on.
In the world of automotive perfection, few names evoke awe and desire quite like Bugatti. Known for crafting the most powerful, elegant, and technologically advanced hypercars in the world, Bugatti has always stood as the symbol of automotive artistry. But in 2026, the French manufacturer took an audacious leap that changed the very concept of luxury travel. The creation, the 2026 Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that transforms the open road into a realm of limitless sophistication, technology, and elegance. Imagine a machine that fuses the soul of a Bugatti Chiron with the presence of a luxury penthouse, built not for the racetrack, but for the horizon itself. At first glance, the vehicle looks like something from a futuristic dream, a sculpted aerodynamic monument gliding effortlessly on the asphalt. The exterior design embodies Bugatti's DNA, sleek, muscular, and aerodynamically pure, but reimagined for scale. Every curve, every vent, every contour of its double-deck body serves both form and function. It's not simply a motorhome, it's a Bugatti, redefined for the open road. The bodywork is crafted from aerospace-grade carbon titanium composite, reducing weight while maintaining extraordinary rigidity. The signature horseshoe grille takes center stage at the front, elegantly framed by razor-thin LED laser headlights that sweep like eyes through the dusk. The lines flow backward into a sculpted double-floor structure, each section divided by panoramic glass curves that allow endless natural light to flood the interiors. The result is both futuristic and timeless, a vision of engineering harmony and artistic grace. As the doors slide open silently, you step into what feels less like a vehicle and more like an architectural marvel. The lower level welcomes you with an atmosphere of calm luxury, a seamless fusion of minimalism and warmth. The floors are finished in Italian oak, the walls dressed in soft Alcantara, and the lighting glows with an ambient golden hue that adjusts with the time of day. The main lounge is an expansive open space with panoramic windows that seem to erase the boundary between inside and outside. Bugatti's design philosophy of form follows performance is alive even here. The furniture isn't merely placed, it's sculpted into the structure itself, giving the interior a fluid, organic feel. You can sit back in reclining leather seats inspired by Bugatti's hypercar interiors, each one equipped with massage, temperature control, and biometric adjustment technology. Every seat remembers you, your posture, your preferences, your perfect view. In the center of the lounge, a holographic entertainment table rises silently from the floor. It doubles as a dining surface and an interactive control hub for the entire motorhome. With a simple gesture, you can adjust lighting, control the panoramic roof tint, or switch to full 360-degree exterior cameras that give you a cinematic view of your surroundings. The sound system, developed by Acton exclusively for Bugatti, uses diamond membrane speakers to produce unmatched acoustic clarity. Every note feels alive. Behind the lounge lies a full gourmet kitchen, compact yet magnificent. Every detail is handcrafted with precision. The counters are self-cleaning nano surfaces that adjust their temperature for food preparation. The induction cooking area can detect cookware automatically, while the integrated AI kitchen assistant can suggest recipes based on your ingredients, your schedule, and even your mood. This is not just a kitchen, it's a culinary stage designed for creativity on the move. Moving toward the rear of the lower level, you find the private guest suite. Here, panoramic side windows extend from floor to ceiling, giving guests a continuous view of the world passing by. The bedding is crafted with smart memory foam, and the lighting automatically transitions from cool daylight to warm evening tones, syncing perfectly with your circadian rhythm. Adjacent to the suite is a marble-tiled bathroom, featuring a rainfall shower with adjustable mist pressure, a heated mirror, and an automatic scent diffuser that fills the air with your chosen aroma. A floating staircase, crafted from transparent polycarbonate and carbon fiber accents, leads to the second floor. Each step is illuminated softly as you ascend. The upper level is the crown jewel of the Bugatti motorhome, a master suite that feels like a private villa in the clouds. The master bedroom occupies the entire front section of the upper floor, with a sweeping 180-degree glass facade that curves above and around the bed. At sunrise, the view floods the room with golden light. At night, it becomes a private observatory for stargazing. The bed itself is a zero-gravity adaptive platform, automatically adjusting for posture and road motion, so you sleep as if floating in midair. Beyond the bedroom lies a private lounge and workspace that redefines mobile luxury. Bugatti integrated a high-speed satellite internet hub, allowing full connectivity anywhere in the world. The desk area is inspired by the lines of the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a sculpted arc of carbon fiber and leather, equipped with a retractable OLED display that serves as both workstation and entertainment screen. At the far end of the upper deck, sliding glass panels open to reveal an open-air terrace, the signature feature of the double floor design. It's a space of pure tranquility, surrounded by glass railings that extend outward automatically when the vehicle stops. With built-in heating panels in the flooring, it's perfect for evening relaxation or sunrise coffee moments. This terrace can also transform into a projection lounge, where the ceiling becomes a 4K curved display. Imagine watching your favorite film while parked beside a mountain lake under a canopy of stars. And yet, all this luxury would mean little without the performance that defines every Bugatti creation. Beneath the polished exterior lies a heart worthy of the name, a hybrid powertrain that combines Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine with dual electric motors for an astounding combined output of over 2,000 horsepower. The motorhome may weigh several tons, but it accelerates with the grace and power of a supercar, going from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, an unimaginable feat for a vehicle of this size. The powertrain is managed by a smart torque distribution system that sends energy precisely where needed, balancing performance and efficiency. The ride itself is silent and smooth, thanks to active air suspension and noise-canceling architecture integrated into the chassis. The electric mode allows for near-silent cruising for up to 200 miles, perfect for city travel or serene nature routes. The driving cockpit is pure Bugatti. Wrapped in carbon fiber and stitched leather, it's an art piece that makes every journey feel special. The steering wheel carries the iconic Bugatti crest, while the digital dash displays real-time performance analytics, weather data, and terrain mapping. Advanced autonomous systems enable full self-driving capability when desired, while the AI co-pilot monitors road conditions and suggests optimal routes. It even learns your driving style, adjusting suspension and throttle response to match your comfort level. Every Bugatti creation has always pushed boundaries, not just of speed, but of imagination. The 2026 Double Floor Motorhome takes that legacy to another level. It's not simply a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement, an architectural marvel, and a glimpse into the future of luxury mobility. This is for those who refuse to choose between power and peace, between technology and art. It's for the visionary, the traveler, the one who believes the journey itself should be as extraordinary as the destination. As dusk falls and the motorhome glides along a coastal road, the body glows softly under the ambient light system that runs along its contours. The reflection of the sunset dances across its polished surface, while inside, the warm light of the living area creates a haven of calm. The hum of the hybrid engine fades into the background, leaving only silence, comfort, and the view of an endless horizon. For Bugatti, the double floor motorhome is not about practicality, it's about possibility. It redefines luxury for a generation that seeks experiences, not possessions. Every inch, every feature, every sound and scent within it is carefully crafted to awaken emotion. You don't simply drive this machine, you live within it. The 2026 Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome is not just the future of travel, it's the future of artistry and motion. It's the intersection of human craftsmanship and advanced intelligence, where comfort meets courage and where engineering becomes poetry. It's a vehicle that doesn't just take you somewhere, it reminds you that you've already arrived.